Julius Malema, the scale of separating EFF from MK party, refusing to cooperate with EFF is not balancing. The scale Malema is not balancing, and the EFF members must start seeing that and face that reality. Because the scale is not balancing. On one side, Julius Malema, your serious concerns about Zuma that lead to refusing to work with him. Is that one, he's 82 years old? That's your argument number one. Your argument number two is that he's poaching EFF members. That's your argument number two. And I think your argument number three is that he didn't call you just as a courtesy call to tell you that your EFF members are leaving EFF and coming to join MK. And primarily, a part of your leadership is concerned from when Zuma saw it important to unite black people. So we are making four arguments to really decide that we are not going to cooperate with the MK party. One, Zuma is 82 years old. Two, Zuma is poaching your leaders. Three, when Zuma saw it important to unite the black people. And four, why Zuma didn't call you to tell that your EFF members are leaving EFF and coming to join MK. So that's a summary of your argument. But look at the argument against lost opportunity to unite black people. And just once in their lifetime, after they've suffered the disunity with IFP and ANC, which made 1994 be a certain way, not a way it could have been if we were working together. Compare your side of the story versus the opportunity lost to work together as united black progressive forces, to work towards getting a 65% two-third majority and get our land back. Change the constitution. Nationalize the Reserve Bank. Nationalize the mining sector. Do you think those two sides are balancing, honestly? Are the four concerns you are making about Zuma much heavier and much important than the lost opportunity I've just described? Getting the land back. Nationalizing the mining sector. Nationalizing the Reserve Bank. Regulating the banking sector which participate with the oppressor. Changing the constitution to allow us to take certain decisions that we need to deliberately and biasly take to address the injustices of the past. Is it balancing, Malema? EFF members, is the scale balancing in your view?